Welcome to IELTS Symphony. Today we will learn how to effectively write the discuss both view type essay. Let's jump into it. Let's look at the question first. So, this is a discussion question type. We will talk about both sides and include our opinions. We will follow the most common format of IELTS essay writing. We will start paraphrasing our question statements. Many countries focus mainly on growing their economy, but some people think other areas of progress are just as important. Next, we briefly mention our key arguments from both sides. While economic progress ensures a better quality of life for citizens, aspects such as religious tolerance and freedom of speech are also essential for a nation's overall well-being. This sentence shows the reader what the essay will talk about. It's clear, balanced, and gives a quick preview of our main points. We'll end with a clear thesis statement that tells the reader exactly what to expect in the essay. Here's our thesis statement. This essay aims to discuss both perspectives and explain the importance of balancing them to build a prosperous and content society. It says that we'll discuss both views, and it also includes our opinion. That balance is important. This makes our position clear and gives the essay a strong sense of direction. Since we have two perspectives, we'll dedicate one paragraph to each. Let's start with the first one. On the one hand, a strong economy can greatly improve the quality of life for citizens. When a country's economy grows, it creates more jobs, increases salaries, and gives people more money to spend. This makes daily life more comfortable, and people experience a better standard of living. First, we clearly stated the main argument that economic growth enhances the quality of life. Then, we explained how this occurs, through increased job opportunities, higher salaries, and greater spending power. Finally, we connected rising incomes to their positive effects on everyday life. Furthermore, such policies enable governments to accumulate greater wealth, allowing increased investment in infrastructure development. This leads to significant progress in key sectors such as transportation, education, and healthcare. For instance, China has significantly increased its purchasing power parity, PPP, and per capita income, experiencing a remarkable 14-fold rise over just a few decades by implementing strategic economic policies. While it's not a completely unique idea, I've simply extended the impact from individuals to the government level. To support my point, I included the example of China, one of today's leading economic powers. By combining financial efforts at both the personal and national levels, we can see how this leads to a more improved and wealthier lifestyle for people overall. On the other hand, authorities should prioritize freedom of speech, political rights, and religious liberty alongside economic growth. Here, I have just introduced and listed others areas. Now, I will extend my arguments further. An independent press allows citizens to express public opinions freely, while religious freedom protects individual beliefs. Upholding these rights promotes fair governance and strengthens social cohesion. For instance, although China has achieved significant economic success, it continues to face criticism for media censorship, political suppression, and restrictions on religious practices. These limitations reduce freedom of expression, leading to societal stress and weaken civic engagement. As you can see, I've used China as my example here as well. You can choose a different country if you prefer. Just make sure it has a strong economy. Our conclusion will be like, to conclude, while economic prosperity is crucial for national development, it should not come at the cost of fundamental rights. Therefore, freedom of speech, political expression, and religious tolerance are essential components of a just and harmonious society. Ultimately, striking a balance between economic growth and civil liberties is key to ensuring long-term stability and national well-being. Here, I have mentioned the points that I had discussed, and I ended with advocating for a requirement for a balance. This is our entire essay looks like. So far, we have used a good range of vocabulary, maintained a clear position, addressed the task effectively, and demonstrated a variety of sentence structures. To get more high-band IELTS essays, please support the channel by liking and sharing. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which topic you'd like us to cover next. Subscribe and stay connected with IELTS Symphony for more helpful content.